Who is the one who built the temple of Mount? I will give you three names: Allah, Muhammad, or Suleiman, the king of the Jew. You will say, what say you? People, be my witness. This is their books. This is their religion. This is their stories. This is their translation. This is their reference. Read with me. When Suleiman is the way the Arab they say the word Solomon, Ibn Dawood, which means the son of David, finished building Baytul Maqdis. This is what they call it, the Aqsa mosque. Do you see it? People, do you see it? Muslims, do you see it? When you say that the Aqsa mosque belongs to us, why you lie? Even your book saying that the one who built that temple is Solomon, the son of David. Is that a lie? Who want to say to me it's a lie? Solomon, he is a prophet of Islam. Still he is a Jew. Let us go with your rubbish. Guys, Solomon is a prophet of Islam. What's your point? Well, he is a Jew. This is my point. This land belongs to those who they are the children of Suleiman. Are you from his children? What's your point? He's a Muslim, okay? For you, everything is a Muslim. Hillary Clinton is a Muslim. Trump is a Muslim. Hijack the nation of the Jew by saying that Suleiman was a Muslim. Why he was a Muslim? How? And let us say for the sake of argument he was a Muslim. What does this have to do with taking the land of the people? He is the one who built it. Their grandfather, which means his children, is the one who built it. Do you see the stupidity and the hypocrisy of this cult? In their books, in the yellow pages of Muhammad, it says that the one who built the temple is Solomon. And what they will say to you now? Who want to say this is weak? Who want to say this is weak? This is what they hit you with. Oh, Solomon, he was a Muslim. Okay, Solomon. Okay, well, the Jews are Muslims, and then this is their land. And actually, you have no right to be there, all of you. This is the truth. You see, those Jews there, they are very naive, extremely naive, to allow the one who occupied their land take it. In the top of that, they claim that this is their land, when their own books witness that this is the land of the Jews, and this is the temple of the Jews, and Jerusalem belonged to the Jews, and all that land belonged to the Jews, and Jordan belonged to the Jews. It doesn't belong to you. Even in your stupid books, it says that Yaqub is born in Sinai. Sinai belonged to the Jews. That's mean Jerusalem should be way bigger than, Israel. All of Jordan belonged to Israel. 30 to 40% of Egypt today belong to Israel. And I can prove all of this from your books. So what we will do now? Why you lie and you say this is your temple, when all of us we knew that Abdul Malik ibn Marwan, a caliphate who is, I don't want to say the word, boom boom, kid. He is the one who built Al-Aqsa by destroying a temple from Baalbek, Lebanon. He took the stones from there. He stole it. He's a thief. As usual. Even if we go to the yellow pages of Muhammad, the stupid Quran, we will find that according to the Quran, even Allah, He ordered Moses to take the Holy Land, which is assigned to the Jews. Can you believe it? Even the stupid book of Muhammad made it clear that this is a land assigned to the Jews. Chapter 5, verse number 21. Remember, Moses said to his people, O my people, call in remembrance of the favor of Allah into you when He, produced prophet among you and made you kings, and He gave you what He had not given to any other among people. O my people, enter the Holy Land. So when Allah, He spoke to Moses, supposedly, He spoke to him in the language of the Hebrew, saying to them, Habibi Moses, Habibi, go and enter the Holy Land. And not only that, I want you to kill everybody there. Then the Jews, they are very kind. They said, no, we will not kill anyone. Do you know what happened? The Jews, they said to Moses, that tell your God to go and fight with you, and we are not going to fight anyone. Only 2 Jews, upon all the Jews, they decided to join ISIS at that time. Only 2. But among them, there's fearing men, were 2, whom Allah had bestowed His grace. They said, assault them at the proper gate, when once ye are in victory, will be yours. And then they said to Moses, the rest, Moses, this is the nation of the Jews, why they remain there, never shall we be able to enter to the end. Go thou and your Lord, and which means your Allah, and fight together. We will not go. So Allah, He cursed the Jews, and He made them lose their direction in the desert for 40 years. And they live in Sinai. So even Sinai is their land. Do you see it? So because the Jews refused to kill whoever lived there, Allah, He cursed them and He made them lose direction. And Allah said, therefore, will the land be out of their reach for 40 years. Do you see it, Abdul? So why you lie and you say this is your land? It is not. Why? Why you fabricate stories? Why you make things up?